People working with me said that they do a lot of dreaming, wondering where I'm going to go. The interesting thing is knowing what color you want to end with. If you're making white, then you're going to end with white, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you start with white. You're going to work from the bottom colors up and build right back through it in various things to reveal what is under. If you rake or sew, you can swirl the surface or do what you want or dig deep and pull other undercolors into the surface. It's amazing is that how airy a white painting is and how that it melts with the wall, the space, and things like this. With the darker paintings, I want you to know about something that happened a long time ago is my experience, or at least I'm then trying to express something that is contemporary. Nikki Giovanni, she was simultaneous to myself when I was quite young. The fact is that over a period of time is that I've been working only with sculpture. Now the sculptures as such are actually fabricated by someone else, and that I directed the way that the color works, the transparency and various things. They're sculptured elements seen against each other, and you have to go around to find their individuality and their structure. So the visitor weaves around to find at least the singularity. I'm known for paperwork. My content actually, in this sense, is material. It's just the relationship of paint to a paper. But in the washis is that solidity comes about because the paint is being dried to hold the paper solid and things like this, so that materiality disappears. Without the glass on top, you're able to approach it directly as opposed to seeing it more as an illusion, so that the physical presence of the surface is not that important as is the color. Painting is right there, is me. My personality actually will come finally through painting. It is like a session, I think, as musicians play. It's something that I do and I do alone. It's kind of an enigma, isn't it?